Hey guys, so this is the second half of the note. Angle measures in irregular polygons. So up here it says when finding the measure of an interior angle of an irregular polygon, the number of sides the shape has is still important because it will help us determine the sum of the interior angles, remember, depending on how many triangles you can make. But unlike the regular polygon, we can't divide the sum by the number of sides to calculate the angle measurements, okay? So this first example, we have 4 sides, okay? Which means we're gonna have 360 degrees total. But we have 123 degrees, 73 degrees, and 107 degrees. So let's figure this out. Let's write down right now. We have 4 sides, okay, which means we have 2 triangles, right? So 2 times 180 degrees gives us 360 degrees total. So we're dealing with 360 degrees total. Let me just highlight that with this. Okay. So now we know we have 360 degrees, and let's start subtracting. We'll subtract 123, 73, and 107. So 123 minus 73 minus 107, and that gives us 57 degrees. So that means that angle X equals 57 degrees. Okay, B. We have 5 sides. That means we have 2 triangles. So 3 triangles. So 3 triangles times 180 degrees gives us a total of 540 degrees. So I'm going to write that down. 540 degrees total. Okay, and we know we have 5 sides. So now we're going to take 540 and subtract the degrees that we know. Subtract 105, 118, 75, and 130. Let's write this down. 540 minus 105 minus 118 minus 75 minus 130 equals 112 degrees. So that means that angle X equals 112 degrees. Okay, last example. Here we have 4. So if you divide it in half, we have 2 triangles. So 2 times 180 degrees each gives us 360 degrees each. So let's write that down. So we have 4 sides, which means we have 2 triangles. So our total is 360 degrees. So now we have to figure out, we're going to take 360 degrees and subtract all of these. Okay, so I'm going to do it down here. We have a little bit more room. So 360 is equal to the sum of all of these added up, because we are given the total, so we're not missing a side. So let's start solving. So we have X minus 27 plus -5 plus X plus X plus 25 plus 88. And all of this totals the 360 degrees. So now I can rewrite this side without all the brackets, okay? And we're gonna solve for X. So 360 equals X minus 27 plus -5, okay? But instead of writing plus -5, positive and a negative, make a negative. Okay, then plus X plus 25 plus 88. Now we're going to collect all of our numbers on one side. So I'm just going to highlight. Okay, so -27, -5, -25, -88, and then just for fun, we have our x, plus x, and a plus x. Okay, so remember, when we move the numbers over, it goes from a negative to a positive. This negative will turn positive. So let's start filling these in. So it's going to be 360. Oopsie, that's not what I wanted. 360 plus 27 plus 5. Remember, it's all the opposite signs. Minus 25 minus 88. And then our equal sign. And then we have 1x plus 1x plus 1x. So x plus x plus x. So this side equals 3x's. Okay, we just add them all up. And over here, 360 plus 27 plus 5 minus 25 minus 88. When you put that all into your calculator, you will end up with 279. So because we have to solve for 1x, that means we have to divide by 3. If you do it on one side, you have to do it to the other. 3 divided by 3 just gives us 1x, and 279 divided by 3 gives us 93 degrees. So that means that x is 93 degrees. So we can go and fill in up here. I'll just use a different color for fun. So the first one, okay, so 93 minus 27 equals 66 degrees. Over here, 93 plus 25 equals 118 degrees. And C, negative 5 plus 93 equals 88 degrees. So now you have just solved for all the missing angles. Okay, remember to pause and rewind this as many times as you need in case something doesn't make sense, and then feel free to message me. Okay, bye guys.